In today's video, I'll show you how to change the color of the continue shopping link on cart page in Shopify Dawn Theme. And for this example, I changed the color of this link to red. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then select online store. Now look for Dawn Theme and then select customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on drop down menu, then select cart. Then on the left side of the screen, under template, click on items, and then expand the custom CSS section. We'll be adding the custom CSS rule right in here, but first let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the link. Let me right click on it, then select inspect. Okay, let's take a look. We'll select the following class, underline dash link, which is also nested within the title wrapper with link class container. Perfect, let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule. Type period title dash wrapper dash with dash link space period underlined dash link. Now open left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between them, press enter. On the next line type color, colon, then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Let me get the hex code for the red color. Let's pick this one and always make sure to copy the hex code including the hashtag. Now let's go back to the editor. Let's paste it right here. And don't forget to add the semicolon in the end. Once you add this rule, click on save. Now let's go back to the cart page. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can see, the color of the continue shopping link was successfully changed to red. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.